Welcome everyone to my lush, virtually weed-free garden. There's my decoy Mediterranean lettuce plant that I used to make the bugs go to instead of my real lettuce. Sweet young lettuce salad bowl. I'm not sure what kind that was. They weren't as good as this one. Wish I could tell you, but I can't remember. Like this tomato plant, some type of tomato I planted too late and now it won't bear any fruit. But we had really good potatoes. It was a Yukon Gold hybrid, and the peas were good when they bloom. What kind of weed is that? Oh, my poor stepstones. My carrots are great though. They get sweet after a light frost. Forgot to plant something there. I don't think even the rabbits could get through all those weeds. But we got really good potatoes, like I said. Look at them babies. Yum. And they were creamy and delicious. They did not last long at all. Didn't even need cream or milk in there. Well, for more gardening tips, follow me. I can make you fail.